The year is 2391. For decades, Earth's deep space probes have been searching for signs of alien life, anything to suggest we are not alone in the universe. But the only company humanity has out there is the silence of the stars. That is until now, because a new discovery has just been made by the Galileo probe orbiting the cold dead star at the center of the Messier 87 galaxy, a perfect black cube, smooth, silent, perfectly still, and the size of Manhattan. This is the strangest thing that the probe has ever seen. It does not emit any heat or light, and there are no stars or planets nearby that could be powering it. Yet, as it comes into focus, something strange starts to happen. The cube is bending light around itself unnaturally. Whatever it is, it's not like anything we've ever seen. A human exploration ship is dispatched to investigate, and what the crew finds out there will shock them to their core. What they see is beyond explanation. There are no stars or planets nearby, yet the cube is clearly reflecting light from a nearby nebula. And as they approach it, they see more. The cube is covered with holographic star charts and strange images of galaxies that shouldn't exist, galaxies that are not on any known map and have never been seen by human eyes. They show images of worlds with multiple suns and strange, beautiful constellations that don't exist in our night sky. Then the most amazing thing happens. The cube projects a timeline of rising and falling civilizations, always different, never human. There are images of species that should not have developed the technology needed to achieve interstellar flight, species on planets with multiple suns, and species from galaxies that shouldn't even exist. Species, civilizations, stars, galaxies, all of it gone, destroyed, leaving nothing but a few scattered images of their past. And then one final message. As the crew watches in horror, the cube projects a single image. It's a warning, a sign of what is to come. Inside the cube, the last message blinks on and off. You are next. When the crew relays the message back to Earth, every scientist and expert is baffled. They can't believe what they're hearing. No one has any idea what this cube is or where it came from. So they decide to send another ship to investigate, a ship carrying more scientists and experts who are also baffled by the cube and its contents. But as they approach, they make an amazing discovery. At the edge of the cube, there seems to be an opening, a door. And when they peer inside, they see a vast library filled with countless star charts, images of countless worlds, stars, and galaxies. In the center of the room is a single pedestal on which rests a small cube. It looks ancient, almost like a fossil, like a remnant of some long extinct civilization, but there is no mistaking what it is. This is an alien artifact of unknown origin, an artifact that has somehow survived the death of a galaxy, an artifact that has survived the eons, the rise and fall of thousands of civilizations, an artifact that has been watching, recording it all. As the crew steps inside, they realize this is not a weapon. It's a memory vault, a record of the universe left behind by a race long extinct. It holds the history of thousands of worlds, stars, and galaxies, including our own. It shows the rise and fall of civilizations, the birth and death of stars, the creation and destruction of entire galaxies. But the most amazing thing is that it seems to be sentient, a single consciousness that has been observing the universe for billions of years. The crew soon realizes that this is not just a record of the past, it is also a warning of what is to come. The message "you are next" is not a threat, it is a prophecy. The crew knows that their own civilization is doomed, that their own sun will one day die, and their own Earth will become a lifeless husk. They also realize that they are not alone. The cube has been watching them, waiting for them to find it. It has waited for billions of years for someone to understand its message, for someone to hear its warning. And now that they have found it, they know that they must do something to prevent the same fate from befalling other civilizations. As the crew leaves the cube, they carry with them the knowledge of countless worlds, the history of thousands of civilizations, the warning of a dying galaxy. They know that they are not alone in the universe and that there are forces at work that are far beyond their understanding. They also know that they must be the first, the very first, to carry the message of the cube to other civilizations, to warn them of the danger that lies ahead. They must be the first to tell the story of the cube and the prophecy of the dying galaxy.